Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some colorful Easter ornaments using my gel press and my Xyron Creative Station Light. I love these products, and these eggs are perfect for the whole family to make. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say Happy Easter. Are you ready? Let's make some Easter egg ornaments.
In New York City, the Easter parade tradition dates back to the mid-1800s, when the upper crust of society would attend Easter services at various Fifth Avenue churches and then stroll outside afterward, showing off their new spring outfits and hats. The custom of the Easter egg, according to many sources, can be traced to early Christians of Mesopotamia, and from there it spread into Eastern Europe and Siberia through the Orthodox churches, and later into Europe through the Catholic and Protestant Church. Chocolate eggs first appeared at the court of Louis XIV in Versailles, and in 1725 the widow Giambone in Turin started producing chocolate eggs by filling empty chicken egg shells with molten chocolate. If you want your eggs a little more smooth, simply mist them with water to relax the paper and press gently against the egg.
I'm going to leave a link to gel press and Xyron in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction Perfect Paper Projects. And I will see you next week. Bye.